Hey guys, we're back with the second episode of WolfPack Woes. Yes, it's a series where we take things apart. Whoa! And this is just removing the cover off of something. It's a Dahlton audio subwoofer. Yeah, we need some tape. We need some tape to pull this dust cap out. Can you get like some masking tape or something? Maybe like clear tape?
I think that's too strong.
No, that'll work. Yeah, we're gonna pull this dust cap out. Yeah, so that's the woofer. I don't know how that got pushed in. There's a cover on it.
Be careful, don't push it down too hard.
So you stick the tape to the dust cap, and then you pull up. Hold on, I gotta put the camera. No, let's put it off to the side. Clear tape. Clear tape. Yeah, packing tape. This stuff's strong. Just get this all stuck down to the dust cap. We need some kind of like vacuum, or I saw a thing where you take a some kind of weak glue and glue a toothpick, not a toothpick, a Q-tip down to this, and then after a while you just pull it up. Or you use a vacuum. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Oh, this tape's stuck on my finger. It won't come off. There we go. Okay. So now we'll get this out, and then we'll do the dust cap thing. Yeah, and we have a second one back there that we'll take apart in the next episode. Part 2 of this video. Okay, can I see the drill? Can you film? So hold it, but don't put your finger near that square. So I will use the drill. So do not hit that square. Film it good like that. Keep your finger away from that, because that's the button to stop it. Yes, we're back at my grandparents' house. In my previous video, do not ask how I managed to sneak a tablet into school.
Jack, can I turn it sideways this way?
No, that won't work. I've done it before and it won't work. He's getting all the screws out this woofer. Yeah, they're like wood screws. Okay, we got 2 more. Okay, there we go. Now I'll take the camera back. Good. Okay, now we get a screwdriver to pry this out. And once we get this woofer out, we'll cut to the next episode. I don't want the video to be too long. You gotta be careful when doing this because you don't want to accidentally puncture the cone. Here she comes. Here she comes. Whoa! Oh, holy fuzz! Look at that! That's a Dahlton audio sub. If you're wondering what that noise was, that's our heater. Here's Epic Grandpa. You don't break those leads. Watch out. Be careful you don't break that lead board. Go lightly on that one. You go lightly on it. Go lightly. Hold this. Yeah, got it. Get it off. Yeah. If you break this board that I'm holding up, then the leads won't work. Don't pull too hard. Careful. Use that like a... Yeah, we got a Dahlton audio subwoofer. Need something that's actually made to pinch this. Go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bro, how do we get this thing off? Do the hammer technique that you used before.
Yeah.
Bro, when does this thing come off?
Feels like it's solid.
It's not soldered. Sorry for putting the camera down for a second. You just grab onto it with the needle nose and then hit it with that small hammer. Yeah, it is coming off. I'm gonna have to come back with a part 2. Bye.